Petrology is the study of rocks and how they form. It is a key part of geoscience, which explores the Earth's physical structure and substances. Petrologists, scientists who study rocks, look at the composition, texture, and process of rock formation. There are three main types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous rocks form from cooled magma or lava. Sedimentary rocks are made from particles of older rocks, plants, and animals that are pressed together over time. Metamorphic rocks are created when existing rocks are changed by heat and pressure inside the Earth. By studying these rocks, petrologists can understand Earth's history, predict volcanic eruptions, and find valuable minerals and oils. This knowledge helps us manage natural resources and protect our environment.
Minerals are natural substances found in the earth. They are solid, have a crystal structure, and are formed by geological processes. Each mineral has a unique chemical composition and physical properties such as color, hardness, and luster. Minerals are not just rocks, they are the building blocks of rocks. They are important because they are used in many ways in our daily lives. For example, quartz is used in making glass and watches, while graphite is used in pencils. Minerals also help scientists understand Earth's history and structure. By studying minerals, we can find clues about how the Earth was formed and how it has changed over time. Exploring minerals is like unlocking secrets of our planet.
Geoscience is the study of Earth, including its lands, oceans, and atmosphere. It explores how Earth's layers, like the crust and mantle, interact and change over time. Geologists, who are scientists in this field, examine rocks to understand Earth's history and predict future changes. They also study natural disasters like earthquakes and volcanoes to help protect communities. By understanding the processes that shape our planet, from mountain formation to ocean currents, geoscientists play a crucial role in solving environmental challenges and finding resources like water and minerals. This field combines outdoor adventure with scientific discovery, making it exciting for anyone interested in how our planet works and how to sustain its health for future generations.
Seismology is the study of earthquakes and the movements of the Earth's crust. Earthquakes happen when there is a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust, creating seismic waves. These waves make the ground shake. By studying these waves, seismologists can learn where an earthquake happened and how strong it was. This information helps to build safer buildings and prepare for future earthquakes. Seismologists use tools like seismographs to record seismic waves. The point on the Earth's surface directly above the earthquake is called the epicenter. The focus is the point inside the Earth where the earthquake starts. Understanding these basic concepts helps us to better prepare for and respond to earthquakes, aiming to protect lives and property.
Volcanoes are fascinating natural features that can teach us a lot about Earth's inner workings. Beneath the Earth's surface, there are layers of rock and molten material called magma. When pressure builds up, magma can erupt through cracks in the Earth's crust, forming a volcano. The study of volcanoes, known as volcanology, helps scientists understand the composition of the Earth's interior and predict volcanic eruptions. This knowledge is crucial for protecting communities living near volcanoes. Volcanoes also play a role in shaping Earth's climate and landscape. By studying volcanic rocks and ash, geoscientists can learn about past climates and geological events. Exploring these hidden layers not only unravels Earth's history but also teaches us about its dynamic nature.
Weather and climate are key parts of geoscience, which studies Earth's physical structure and processes. Weather describes the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere like temperature, wind, and rain. Climate, however, refers to the average weather patterns over a long period in a specific area. Scientists use tools like satellites and weather stations to collect data about these patterns. Climate change involves significant changes in these patterns due to factors like increased levels of carbon dioxide from burning fossil fuels. This change affects our environment in various ways, including more frequent and severe weather events. Understanding these concepts helps us predict future conditions and plan for environmental challenges. By studying geoscience, we learn how to protect our planet and manage natural resources wisely.
Climatology is the study of Earth's climate and how it changes over time. It is a part of geoscience, which looks at all aspects of our planet. Climatologists examine patterns in temperature, wind, and rainfall to understand past weather and predict future conditions. They use tools like satellites and weather stations to collect data. This data helps us see how climate affects everything from ecosystems to human cities. Key terms in climatology include atmosphere, which is the layer of gases surrounding Earth, and greenhouse gases, which trap heat and warm the planet. Understanding climatology is crucial for preparing for natural disasters and protecting our environment. By studying climatology, we can make informed decisions to help sustain our planet for future generations.
Geoscience is the study of Earth, including its lands, oceans, atmosphere, and processes. It helps us understand how Earth's systems interact and change over time. Geologists, who are scientists in this field, explore rocks, fossils, and minerals to learn about Earth's history and structure. They also study natural hazards like earthquakes and volcanoes to predict future events and protect communities. Additionally, geoscience involves understanding the water cycle, which includes how water moves through the environment in rivers, oceans, and the atmosphere. This knowledge is crucial for managing water resources and addressing issues like climate change. By studying geoscience, we gain insights into the natural world and learn how to use Earth's resources wisely and sustainably.
Glaciers are large masses of ice that form in cold regions where snow accumulates over time. These ice giants move slowly across the land, driven by gravity. As glaciers travel, they shape the landscape by eroding soil and rocks, creating valleys and fjords. This process is called glaciation. Glaciers also impact our climate. They reflect sunlight, which helps regulate Earth's temperature. However, as the climate warms, glaciers melt faster than they form. This melting contributes to rising sea levels, which can lead to flooding in coastal areas. Additionally, as glaciers shrink, they release trapped gases like carbon dioxide, which can further warm the atmosphere. Understanding glaciers helps us see how interconnected our planet's systems are and the role they play in our global climate.
Geoscience is the study of Earth, including its lands, oceans, atmosphere, and processes. It helps us understand how Earth has changed over time and how it functions today. Key areas in geoscience include geology, which looks at rocks and Earth's structure, meteorology, focused on weather and climate, and oceanography, which studies the oceans. Geoscientists explore topics like earthquakes, volcanoes, and fossils to learn about Earth's history and predict future changes. They use tools like maps and satellites to gather data. This field is vital for managing natural resources and protecting our environment. By studying geoscience, we can better prepare for natural disasters and understand the impacts of human activity on our planet. The ocean is a vast and mysterious world, covering over 70% of our planet. It is home to countless species of plants and animals, many of which are yet to be discovered. Geoscience helps us understand the ocean's structure, including its floors, and the processes that shape them. Key concepts in ocean geoscience include plate tectonics, which explains how the Earth's surface is divided into plates that move and interact, causing earthquakes and forming mountains under the sea. Another important area is sedimentology, studying how sand and other materials are transported and deposited by water. By exploring these aspects, geoscientists can predict changes in the ocean and help protect its delicate ecosystems. This knowledge is crucial for managing natural resources and understanding global climate patterns. Geoscience is the study of Earth, including its rocks, minerals, and the processes that shape its surface and interior. This field helps us understand Earth's history and predict future changes. Geologists, who are scientists in this field, explore how mountains form, why earthquakes happen, and where to find important resources like water and minerals. They use tools like maps and satellites to gather data. Key concepts include the rock cycle, which shows how rocks change from one type to another, and plate tectonics, explaining how Earth's surface is divided into pieces that move. By studying geoscience, we learn not only about Earth's past but also how to protect our planet's future.
Erosion is a natural process where soil, rocks, and other surface materials are worn away and moved to another place by wind, water, or ice. This process shapes the landscape and can create valleys, cliffs, and other landforms. There are several types of erosion. Water erosion happens when rain or rivers wash away the earth. Wind erosion occurs when strong winds blow loose soil away. Ice erosion, or glacial erosion, takes place when glaciers scrape and grind rocks as they move. Human activities, like farming and construction, can speed up erosion by removing vegetation that protects the ground. Erosion is important to understand because it affects agriculture, water resources, and natural habitats. By studying erosion, we can better manage and protect our environment.
Sedimentology is the study of sediments, such as sand, mud, and clay, and the processes that result in their deposition. These materials are often carried by water, wind, or ice, and accumulate in layers over time. By examining these layers, sedimentologists can understand the Earth's history, including changes in climate and the movement of continents. Key concepts in sedimentology include erosion, the wearing away of rocks, transportation, the movement of sediments, and deposition, the settling of sediments. Sediments often harden into sedimentary rocks, such as sandstone and limestone, which can contain fossils. These fossils provide valuable clues about past life and environments, helping scientists piece together the story of our planet.
Earth's climate has changed many times throughout history. By studying rocks, fossils, and ice cores, scientists can understand these ancient climates. Rocks contain minerals that can tell us about the temperature and weather patterns of the past. Fossils, the remains of ancient plants and animals, help us learn what the environment was like when they lived. Ice cores are long cylinders of ice drilled from ice sheets and glaciers. They have layers that show yearly changes, much like rings in a tree. By examining gases trapped in these layers, scientists can find out about past temperatures and the atmosphere's composition. This information helps us see how climate change happened before and can guide us in addressing current climate issues.